Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Bamari. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to bead your fabric using the rice bead. It's easy, it's not difficult. If you're interested in knowing how I beaded the rice bead on the corset, please stay to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. This is a plain corset that I made, so now I'm going to go ahead to bead it. I'll be using this rice bead, you can see it. Then I'll be using the needle for beading. It is beading needle, it is very tiny. And also I'll be using an invisible thread. You can decide to use the normal thread, but I like invisible thread for some works because it makes my thread invisible. As its name says, it won't show. So I'll just insert it to where I want to start my beading work, just like this. After knotting the end of the thread, I will take my needle to pick 8 rice beads, just like this. Please don't pick more than 8 because we want our beads to lay flat on our dress and it should not budge. So I will insert it just like that and insert my needle at the end and bring it out towards the middle, just like this. So I'll go ahead to pull my thread out. Then I will divide my beads into 2, that is 4 beads. Then I will insert it upwards through 4 rice beads upward, just like this. You can see, and I will just secure it in place. That is how to achieve it. So let's bring it closer and I will explain again. You can see how it's laid properly on our dress. That is exactly what we want. We don't want it bulging out. That's why they say don't use too much beads. So I'll take my needle, insert another 8 beads and pull it to the end of the thread, just like this. Then at the point the bead stops, I will insert my needle there and bring it to the middle, like this. You can see the middle part. Yes, then I'll pull it out, after which I will divide my beads into 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So after pulling it out, I will insert it upwards through 4 rice beads. You can see the way I'll just insert it through 4 rice beads upward. Then I'll pull my needle out. So that is how to achieve a straight line on a net, corset, or any fabric of your choice. You can see how it's laid flat. That is what we actually want. So I will insert another 8 beads, pull it to the end, just like this. So where it stops, I will insert my needle into it and bring it out to the middle part, just like this. Then after that, I'll pull it out. After pulling it out, then I will insert it 4 rice beads upwards, just like this. I will insert it through 4 rice beads upwards and pull it out. It is as easy as that. That is how to use your rice beads to achieve a straight line on your net or any fabric of your choice. Please, if you don't still understand how I did it, you can go back and rewatch the video again. I will just insert 8 rice beads into my thread, take it to the end of the thread, just like this, and at the point the bead stop, I will insert my needle there and bring it to the middle part of the beads. Then I will pull it out, just like this. Then from the middle part it came out, I will insert it 4 beads, 4 rice beads upward, just like this, and add another bead. So you keep doing it just like that. You just continue doing it and you would achieve a very straight bead on your fabric that aligns properly. I hope I did justice to the explanation. So those straight beads that you see on this my beautiful corset, that was the way I made it. I'll also be dropping a link to the corset tutorial on your screen. From the materials to the drafting to the finishing, I'll be dropping the link. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like, subscribe, comment and share to see more helpful tutorials like this. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.